Hello guys, in this video I want to show you how to add cracks and damages to your low poly model using the knife tool with Blender. I created these pillar models, they are also part of the Unity low poly game kit, and you can see here in edit mode that this is a really simple low poly model. Let me enable the screencast keys so that you can see which keys I'm pressing. Okay, the first thing I do is to duplicate this model by pressing Shift and D. And to this duplicated one, I will add some damages. First I switch to the edit mode, and then I enable the knife tool by pressing the K key. And now I click on the edges or faces where I want to cut in. This part is a bit like drawing a polygon onto your mesh. When the shape is completed, you press return to apply. Okay, once we have this shape, I select these vertices here at the center, press Alt and M and merge them. Then I go again back to the knife tool and add another cut to connect these two vertices. And now I can go ahead and select this inner vertex and kind of move it into the mesh. And this is the basic concept that I will use now on different areas of the mesh to create these damages and cracks. It looks very good. Now I speed this up just a little bit because I will use the same concept now to add another one here at this area. Again, you draw the shape, and once you are finished you press the Enter key, then you merge these inner vertices and move them into the mesh. Now we have two damaged parts, and the next thing I do is to draw or to cut in 3 edges to connect these areas. Again, activate the knife tool, select start and end point, and then press the Enter key to apply the cut. Then I add another one in the middle, and then I switch to edge selection mode and move this edge into the mesh. After that I add another cut from the endpoints of this edge to the merged vertex at the damaged parts to have triangles at this area. But don't be afraid of n-gons, we created some n-gons with these cuts, but what really matters isn't if you have n-gons or triangles or quads. The only thing that is important for this model, because you're not going to animate this, is if the rendering is okay and you don't have any shading issues. And as you can see, it renders nicely here in Blender Cycles. This is the render preview. And now I'll go ahead and add some more cracks at other areas. Okay, that's it for this model. Now let's see how this comes out in a render preview. This looks good to me. Here I created another one to have some variations. And as I said, I added this to the Unity low poly game kit. Here's a preview of the scene. I attached colliders to the meshes, and you can combine these to create a kind of dungeon. Here's a preview of the gameplay, and as you can see, there are no rendering issues. Okay guys, that's it. I hope you find this interesting and useful, and if you do, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and perhaps you consider being my patron. This would really help me to create more tutorials. I added the link to the Unity low poly game kit to the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on JNM.